Hello everyone. Looking for a file, checking a word meaning, or even doing quick math? You don't need different apps for that. Your Mac already has a built-in tool called Spotlight Search that can do it all. Let me show you. Press Command and Space to open Spotlight. Let's say I'm looking for a file named script. I just type it here, and when I select the result and press the spacebar, I can preview the file instantly. Spotlight can also show definitions. If I type aesthetic, I can preview the meaning right here by pressing the spacebar. You can even preview quick web searches. For example, if I type ETA and scroll down to the Safari search result and then press the spacebar, I get a preview window with Google search results without even opening the Safari browser. Need a calculator? Just type the equation. For example, 245 times 16. You can also do conversions. For example, $100 to INR. And if you want to type the rupee symbol directly, just press Option +4 on your keyboard. Spotlight can also help you create quick calendar events. For example, if I type project meeting at 11 a.m. tomorrow, Spotlight suggests creating that event in my calendar instantly. You can even set timers and alarms using Spotlight. For example, I can type set a timer for 10 minutes to remind me to turn the stove off. So, with just Command and Space, you can do multiple things and complete everyday tasks using Spotlight Search in macOS 26. Thanks for watching.